Under the lights, you catch my eye. I've never seen.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, Wake Up Bright, where I share all the things that help me live each day a little brighter. I'm April Lauren, and I am in the process of losing 200 pounds in a way that I can sustain for the rest of my life. In this video, I am doing a clean with me for Vlogmas. I didn't really expect my husband to join in and clean with me, but I thought it was fun and sweet that he did. And we got our house cleaned. We got it all ready to just relax for the weekend, and I really enjoyed doing it with him. It was fun. Fun little thing for us to do together. It's really funny because I am very much, unless I intentionally make myself go like room to room or in like a very specific order, I am all over the place, and you can kind of see that here. But I also like a lot of stuff like counter sprays and things like that, the glass spray, the stuff that I put on my appliances, everything. It's better if I let it sit for a little while. So I'll spray things down, and then eventually after it's had time, I'll wipe it down. And sometimes that means I need to spray it down again first, but it's my process and it works. And whether it's cleaning or weight loss, finding a process that works for you, whatever that is so important. And I am so happy that I've taken the time to figure out what I need and to turn away from fad diets or anything that's not sustainable for me. The last several months that I've had to not have to worry about gaining the weight back. While it stresses me out that I'm not losing more or as much as I would like to be, it gives me so much peace that knowing all of the things I've gone through, that it's so easy for me to maintain. It's what I've built. Like, this is just my life, and I am so blessed and so grateful. Like, it feels amazing. And to be able to maintain this range right around this 100-pound mark is a blessing.
Across the room, I don't know your name, but I know what we'll do. We'll slow dance to vinyl, stick strolls in New York City. Maybe make some snow angels, you'll tell me. An old-fashioned Christmas with a stranger. Across the room, I don't know your name, but I know what we'll do. We'll slow dance to vinyl, stick strolls in New York City. Maybe make some snow angels, you'll tell me I look pretty.
No pressure. It's a Mr. Beast chocolate bar. It's alright. Hashtag unsponsored.
And you can definitely tell we have 2 German Sheppies. There's so much hair on the floor. It's so gross. And like the places that I don't always get behind, like, it builds quickly. So that's why I decided I wanted to lift up the stools and clean underneath them.
An old-fashioned Christmas with you. There's a box up in the attic.
Now that you're up,
My past. Paper snowmen from a season.
So when I started cleaning, I put some music on, and we just had fun listening to music and cleaning. And my husband he was definitely not all in on the cleaning. I think he just wanted to do something. Like, he started his vacation, and I didn't wake him up super early. I let him sleep in quite a bit, and so he got good rest and woke up really happy. And it was sweet. I enjoyed this time together, and I'm happy that I was already filming. Like, I wouldn't have turned the camera on if he was helping me clean. So I was already filming, and then I got to capture just some of our little moments, and it makes me smile. It makes me happy, and thanks for letting me share little bits and pieces with you. As far as cleaning stuff, I really like Mrs. Meyer's cleaning spray for my counters, but recently I started using the Target brand cleaner. I think it's like Everspring or something. Maybe that's not a Target brand, but I really enjoy that cleaner better, and it's less expensive. And then I did a Pledge everywhere, like a Pledge multi-surface cleaner, and that was surprisingly good. I've always loved Pledge on wood surfaces, but I even did it in the kitchen on the counters, and I liked the smell better than the Mrs. Meyer stuff. So I ended up spraying and cleaning off the counters a few times throughout this morning cleaning, and it was good. And then I also cleaned upstairs, so I took the Pledge upstairs and just dusted in different places in my office and in our guest rooms and stuff, just freshening everything up. And even in our bedrooms, I didn't film everywhere, just a few places. Okay, can we take a minute for my sweet fur babies? I felt so bad like putting them outside, but I wanted the door open. I wanted to air out the house a little bit. And I had lots of different fumes and things going, which I do always clean with these things, but I felt like I was kind of in a whirlwind and in a hurry to clean this morning. And so I was doing so much all at once, and it was just better for them to be outside. But the pitiful little hearts looking inside like, what is this? What is this life where we're outside and you're inside? That's not right. They're always with me.
Jacket looks good on you. Boo Boo, you got daddy?
Not no more.
Get him!
I don't know why he loves the camera. He's like, the camera's out. Give me love.
No.
Good boy. He's a good boy. Is that what you say?
What kind of breed is your dog? He's a real good boy. He's a real good boy.
He's like, the butt now. Thanks, Dad. Definitely the butt.
Hi, Miss Priss. Hi, Miss Prissy. Oh, I love her. Oh, I love her so much.
So I am making us dinner. It is late. I just premiered a video and yeah.
Sure.
I also posted a reel. So this shirt I've had for a while and I was just curious, so I looked at an old video. I'm just very grateful to be where I'm at. All right, guys, I am all ready. I thought I would show y'all my cute little outfit. I love this little top. It is a very casual, so I'm very excited about it, but it's nothing fancy. I feel silly, but this is my outfit. My outfit for our date night, so. It wasn't long into my weight loss journey that I started to feel better. And I just started by doing what I could, moving in the way that I could. And it wasn't a lot, but being consistent and moving forward, making the healthiest choices that I can. and not tormenting myself for not living up to the expectations of others. Or often when we start something like a weight loss journey, we want it, and we want it now, we want it fast. And sometimes that's very doable, and sometimes people are in a good place to do that. And I think being able to recognize what I need and give that to myself is amazing. And I'm proud of who I was then, and I'm grateful to be where I'm at now. And I'm excited to continue to go forward.
Oh, Deepy, you look so beautiful up there.
Right? I'm trying to get you to help me.
Oh,
I came to you.
but why?
Head her up. Hold her down.
Oh, so that you can hold her? All right, we'll try
I
it again.
know that she's alright.
Try it again. I got excited, and that definitely affected her. It's okay, Tippy. You're okay, babe. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Daddy's got the baby.
Dinner turned out really good. We enjoyed it, and then we watched Yellowstone. I don't know how many of you guys watch Yellowstone. If you watch Yellowstone, drop a hat or a cowboy boot or a horse emoji in the comments below. And if you don't, then I don't know, maybe give me a frowny face. But we love this show, and I really love how our home turned out this holiday season. I'm so grateful that I decorated. It really does change the mood, and yeah. So I will link both the video where I was cleaning from, I think it's like August 2020, and then this video that this clip right now that you're seeing is from, is the same where I was wearing my Baja mug shirt, and it is from December 2020. So I will link those in the description below if you want to go back and give them a watch. I am so grateful for you. Thank you for following along with me on my journey. Thanks for celebrating Christmas with me for the 3rd year in a row, some of you. And if you just found my channel, welcome. I'm so grateful that you're here. And I hope that by sharing my story that you feel your story is important, because it is, and you are important. You are worth doing the work to figure out what you need to live each day a little bit brighter, a little bit healthier. Happy holidays, and I hope to see you in my next video. Love you so much. Bye.